BJP's MLA T. Raja attacking AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi. After Owaisi's Babri Masjid demolition remark, T. Raja has said Owaisi is scared after the first victory, so to say, that has come for the Hindu community when it comes to their Ram temple. BJP MLA said, "We will also win Kashi and Mathura cases." T. Raja, BJP MLA, is adding, and remember, all of this is while the election season is heating up. T. Raja says 40,000 Hindu temples are still pending. There is a dispute regarding at least 13 acres of land in the Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi temple and Shahi Eidgah in Mathura. And the Hindu side has claimed Aurangzeb constructed the Shahi Eidgah by demolishing part of the ancient Kashi Vishwanath. So now that T. Raja is escalating on that and has said, why are you so scared with just first the victory? Because with this first victory, because two more are to go.
कुछ दिन पहले संसद में ये ओवैसी खड़ा होकर ये कहता है बाबरी मस्जिद है और बाबरी मस्जिद रहेगी। हम बाबरी मस्जिद की शहादत को आने वाली पीढ़ी को हम भूलने नहीं देंगे। वो कहता है कि हम शहादत को भूलने नहीं देंगे। वो अपने आप को बैरिस्टर कहता है। ये तो अनपढ़ गवार बुज़दिल इंसान है। अरे ये भारत के संविधान को नहीं मानता, भारत माता की जय नहीं बोलता, वंदे मातरम गीत नहीं गाता। अभी तो तू सिर्फ एक बाबरी से ही घबरा गया। अरे अभी तो काशी बाकी है, मथुरा बाकी है। अरे अभी तो 40,000 हिंदू मंदिर बाकी है।
Joining me, Apurva Jayachandran for the latest on that. Apurva, good morning. So the controversies, the controversial remarks coming in at this point. What happened? Why did T. Raja specifically aim for Owaisi here?
Well, Pooja, what we do know is that this all happened yesterday during the Ram celebrations that had taken place. And in fact, Raja Singh is coming down quite strongly on Owaisi. Not only that, he's also going on to state that Owaisi is scared of the recent Ram temple that was built in Ayodhya. He goes on to state that, yes, Owaisi had made statements on the Babri Masjid demolition and that the history will not forget this. And taking those comments there, Raja Singh is quite clearly also stating that there is still, temples of the Kashi and the Mathura that is still pending, and that more than 40,000 more Hindu temples are remaining. That's what he's saying. A strong statement coming in there from Owaisi. He in fact goes on to state that Owaisi has not once told Bharat Mata ki Jai, or he has not, neither has he sang Vande Mataram. And he also goes on to make a rather religious comments there that is coming in, hurting the sentiments there of the other religion. That's what Raja Singh is also implying. In fact, he goes on to state that this is not the first time that Owaisi has not been making such comments, but also time and again Owaisi has been insulting the other community. That's what Raja Singh is also going on to state. He gives a challenge as well, saying that Owaisi is scared, and not only now that Ayodhya temple has been done, there's also Kashi, Mathura and several other such Hindu temples remaining. That's the statement coming in there from Raja Singh.
So clearly clearly it looks like this is going to be a big war of words throughout the election season as well. Appreciate you joining us. Apurva Jayachandran for the latest on that.